You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with long addition. The final result is 12,647,911,383. Let's solve it step by step. Rewrite the numbers from top to bottom, aligned by their place values. Add up the digits in each column, from right to left. 5 plus 8 equals 13. Carry 1 to the tens place. 1 plus 5 plus 2 equals 8. 4 plus 9 equals 13. Carry 1 to the thousands place. 1 plus 4 plus 6 equals 11. Carry 1 to the 10,000s place. 1 plus 8 plus 2 equals 11. Carry 1 to the 100,000s place. 1 plus 6 plus 2 equals 9. 9 plus 8 equals 17. Carry 1 to the 10 millions place. 1 plus 9 plus 4 equals 14. Carry 1 to the 100 millions place. 1 plus 5 equals 6. Write 2 in the billions place. Write 1 in the 10 billions place. And so the final result is 12,647,911,383.